So feel very strongly with your hands on the mat. Now tuck your toes. Make sure you engage your navel and slowly lift yourself up. When you lift yourself up, your focus is to lift your hips back and up. So lengthening your spine. Just imagine sending your hips higher up to the sky. At the same time, you want to suck your stomach inside. Keeping that position of your spine completely straight, you're going to press your heels into the floor.
Begin to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times.
Take your right foot across your left knee and place it on the mat. Make sure your hip does not lift off the mat. Place your right hand behind you for support. Inhale, lift the left arm, twist and place your hand on the foot. Look over your right shoulder. If you cannot reach your foot, bend your elbow and place your hand on your shoulder across. Use your upper arm to push the knee back. Make sure there is no tension in the shoulders.
Placing your hands on your hips, you're bending forward and trying to place the crown of your head on the mat. So your hands can be placed on the mat in front of you, or it can be placed on your hips, or you can place it, you can hook your toes with it, or you can interlock your fingers behind you and let it hang. So each of these postures will give you different benefits, so you can try all of them. Coming up, releasing from the posture.
Step out with the right foot to 90 degrees, taking at least 4 feet distance apart, and your left foot approximately 45 degrees, slightly inside. Inhale, bend inside your right hip joint, hold your right big toe with your right hand and extending your left arm straight up towards the sky. Gaze up softly at your left hand. Hold this pose for 3 to 6 slow and deep breaths.
So you inhale, drop your head down, make sure your neck is loose, shoulders back, scapula together, chest open, and come forward and up. Now you're going to lift your knees off the mat. You lift your knees off the mat, you lift your chest up. This requires a lot of strength to hold here. So if you're not comfortable, do the variation one where you keep your knees on the mat.